Hi guys, up on Dyrham Downs. The weather is a bit changeable. Showers expected. I was also expecting it to be windy. There's a bit of a light breeze because I wanted to try this kite that I picked up in a charity shop for £1.49. But I really don't know if there's enough of a breeze. I'll go and stand over there and try it out. Obviously I'm on my own, so I haven't got a launcher to help. Hat again though. I think my hair's too short. Its hat is slipping on my head. Alright, let's have a go. I think we've untangled them. Considering I was expecting it to be raining at the moment. Just right for this kite. Nice bit of pull. yet. Having just said the weather was just right for it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.